TopicSimplify AI is one of the newest and most talked about AI tools, and today I'm going to share the 7 crucial things you need to know about this software. If you're looking for an AI solution that can truly simplify your tasks, keep watching, because I'll break down exactly how TopicSimplify can transform your digital marketing efforts. First things first, let's talk about the main feature that sets TopicSimplify apart from the crowd. Unlike other AI tools that only assist with content creation or SEO in isolation, TopicSimplify combines both, automating your research, writing, and optimization in one tool. This integration means you can generate high-quality, relevant content and optimize it for search engines without jumping between different platforms. It's a game changer for digital marketers who want efficiency and results. Now, you might be wondering if it's really as easy to use as it seems. Well, it is. TopicSimplify uses an intuitive interface that's designed for both beginners and experienced marketers. The onboarding process is simple and the learning curve is practically non-existent. Whether you're creating blog posts, social media captions, or even email copy, this tool walks you through everything with a straightforward process that allows you to focus on what matters, creating great content. Another critical point to know about TopicSimplify AI is its deep integration with popular tools like Google Docs, WordPress, and others. This ensures that whatever you create within TopicSimplify can be exported easily into the platforms you're already using. It's about saving time and making your workflow more seamless, and this integration does exactly that. But what truly stands out is the quality of the content it generates. TopicSimplify doesn't just write fluff or generic content. It dives deep into topics, giving you well-researched, SEO-optimized, and engaging material. Whether you're tackling complex subjects or need help brainstorming new content angles, this tool can deliver insights and quality content that truly resonates with your audience. You also get built-in SEO recommendations that guide you to optimize your content for better ranking on search engines. From keyword suggestions to content structuring, TopicSimplify offers actionable tips that help your content perform better organically. Let's also talk about the pricing. You can get started with TopicSimplify completely free through the link in the description. This means you can test out its features before committing. Given how much this AI tool can do, getting started for free is a huge benefit for anyone looking to explore its capabilities without any risk. Lastly, one of the most important things to note is how TopicSimplify evolves. With AI tools constantly updating, you'll want one that's staying ahead of trends. TopicSimplify updates regularly, integrating new AI advancements that keep it sharp and relevant to the ever-changing digital marketing landscape. This future-proofing means that as your business grows, the tool grows with you. So if you're ready to save time, enhance your digital marketing efforts, and leverage AI to its full potential, give TopicSimplify AI a try. It's one of the best just-released AI software tools, and I've put a link for a free trial below so you can see for yourself. Finally, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of the best ones in the description below, each offering free trials. So don't forget to check them out and see which ones will take your marketing strategy to the next level.